Hey everyone, welcome to homework 1.7. So today you're going to be looking at a prefix. A prefix is a word or a part of a word that comes at the beginning of a word. And in this case, we're looking at the prefix pre, which means before. So the word prefix, right, pre means before the word, right? So an example is preheat. Right? If we heat up something before we actually cook it, or we go ahead and get the oven ready and warm before we put something in the oven to bake, we are preheating the oven. Okay? So, words to read. Read the words and its meaning as it relates to the meaning of the prefix. Highlight the prefix. So, you will need a highlighter for this. And you are going to highlight the prefix. So, in this case, the prefix that we're highlighting in each one is pre. Pre-test, test before. Predict, say before. Preview, view before. Premix, mix before. Prepay, pay before. Prepare, get ready before. Pregame, before the game. And prefix, attach before, right? Fix is to attach, so attaching the word before. All right, and so these are all words that start with pre or pre that mean before something. So then we're going to use some words to spell, and these are going to give us some new words. And what you're going to do is go ahead and put these words together and then read them out loud. They are written this way so that you can sound them out and practice saying them. But then once you've written them out as a whole word, you want to go back and read them. So I'm going to read them out loud for you, but you can go ahead and write them here. Premature, preference, preventive, pre-assign, pre-release, precisely, pre-arrangement, prepositions. Okay, those are all words that start with pre. All right, so practice reading those words out loud to yourself. Then we're going to use these words in sentences. Use the word above. So we're going to use these words up here to fill in the blanks below. Did you see the new movie? Well, when we want to see something before, view before, we're going to look up here. We have view before, preview, right? We see previews all the time. When we go to see a movie, they'll put a preview before the movie to show us other movies, right, and get us excited about other movies. She got a 70% on her spelling. Well, we know this is associated with a test, right? She got a percent on something, and it has to do with some kind of an assessment. So, pre-test. And this is when teachers give you a test before they teach you something to see what you already know. Can I help you? Dinner for tonight. So we want to get dinner ready. So can I help you? Prepare. You must, prepay the concert tickets in order to get in, right? You can't just go and buy them there. You have to prepay. You have to pay for them in advance. And then number 5, the blank show was a lot of fun to watch. Well, we're saying a lot of fun, and if we look up at our words above, game is something that's fun, right? So the pre-game show, the show before the game, is a lot of fun to watch. All right? That's all for today. Your code word will be Eagles, thinking about the pregame show for sports. So Eagles at the top of your paper earns you extra credit. If you have any questions, you know how to reach out to me. Happy homeworking and see you tomorrow.